Ready to unlock a world of high-paying freelance opportunities? Let's open your Toptal account and get started. First, head over to the Toptal website, find the button that says something like Apply Now or Get Started. Click it to begin the application process. The application is where you will present yourself. You'll begin with the basics: your name, email address, and the type of freelancing you're interested in. Now, it's time to showcase exactly what you bring to the table. Be honest, showcase your strengths, and make sure to choose all relevant skills. Next, you'll need to provide detailed information about your skill set and experience. This includes previous projects you've worked on and projects you've contributed to. Include the companies or clients you've worked with, and highlight your accomplishments in each role. This is your opportunity to demonstrate your expertise. Be thorough, and be sure to include your years of experience. Toptal is looking for top talent, so be sure to provide detailed information on all skills you know and their corresponding proficiency. Whether you are a front-end developer, a UX designer, or a financial expert, double-check that everything is filled in correctly and that it accurately represents your professional capabilities. After completing the application, double-check everything and click the Submit button. This is where the evaluation process begins. After you submit, you will automatically be added to Toptal's evaluation. Toptal has a rigorous screening process. During the evaluation, you'll likely encounter tests covering both technical skills and soft skills. These assessments determine the capabilities and personalities of potential contractors. Be patient and keep up your communication skills. You will hear back from Toptal when the evaluation is complete. Opening your Toptal account is the first step towards connecting with high-end clients. Now go get started and start freelancing successfully.